Oh, okay. We're back. Where's my camera? Where do I enable it again? Jesus Christ. Oh, there I am. Holy shit. I'm getting frustrated, man. I'm getting so frustrated. Fuck. Fuck. I'm getting so frustrated. We're back though. We're back. I'm getting so frustrated. We're back. I crashed out. I don't know what is going on, but okay. Everything saved. I'm getting so frustrated. Oh my goodness. Let me see. What are all these? All right, we're back. Let me know who's in the chat. I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. All right, we're back. Let me know who's in the chat. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed, guys. This ain't for the week. This shit ain't for the week, man. This shit ain't for the week. So annoyed, guys. This ain't for the week. This shit ain't for the week, man. Nah, my website is what's slowing everything down. God, help me. Help me. Okay. Let me check YouTube. Oh, we're back. Let me know who's there. Let me know who's there. Help me. Okay, that was the one. All right, at least the other stream, it's saved. Let me see. What was the that information? Like, I guess that's what I want to know. Like, where are you pulling that information? Should I screen? I'll give it. Okay, fit that aesthetic. We're back to attach screenshots from the website for my personal brand. All right. All right. All right. Jesus Christ. I'm getting so frustrated, chat. I'm getting so frustrated. Um, like usually I have so much more running on my computer. So for it to be crashing like this, like it is today, it's so annoying. Okay. Let me just see what this prompt says, what I'm telling Claude, and let me move on with it. Hey, so the features right now are pretty basic. I'm not going to lie, like it's super boring. Doesn't come around at all. Can I'm wondering if it could pull from my memory. It designed my website. I'm struggling to get screenshots of my website. Am I able to screenshot now? Well, now I am, but I don't know what my website is doing. I'm not going to risk it again. But you helped me design my Where in the World is Gillian website. So I don't know if you can pull from your memory, but I would want the aesthetic and design to, doesn't have to match it exactly, but I need it to have some type of style like my website does. I'm getting so frustrated. What did you say? Oh, wait. Okay, I don't know. Oh, I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. Okay, yes, I'll allow. We are back. If you're in the chat, if you were here before, let me know. I'm super frustrated. Super, super frustrated. Let me go to this guy's YouTube. Brother, let's just go. Oh, I'm getting tired. Maybe I should get a drink. Quick honesty check first. I don't actually remember designing your website. Mm. Oh, I'm so annoyed. But it's day one, right? Like, shit happens. Shit happens. I think I need a drink. It's already like almost 4. I didn't eat anything. I just want to see the app look a little sexier, and then I can continue building it tomorrow. I'm okay with that. Oh, it's raining now? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Whatever happened to Kenneth? maybe I need to eat something. Oh, I need to lean back. Getting sleepy. All right, I think not update replica MD. Okay. Can reuse for everything. Yeah, you can do both, but can you just give me a prompt right now that I can put into Replit to make those changes? Now I'm just going with it. Yeah, you can do both, but can you just give me a prompt right now that I can put into Replit to make those changes? Oh, it's still going. Oh man. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's go back into Replit. Let me get another drink other than water. Oh, all right. BRB, let me get a drink. All right. Let me get another drink other than water. Okay. This is what I'm drinking. Oh, all right. BRB, let me get a drink. Zero sugar lemon soda from Thailand. Okay, it's looking a little bit better. I'm getting sleepy. That looks exactly right. All right, let's see the preview. Zero sugar lemon soda from Thailand. Okay, it's looking a little bit better. Okay, it looks better, but what about some animations? Okay, it looks better. It's just definitely still not sexy enough. Also, it needs some animations. I like animations, so we need to figure something out for that. let's just start there and see what happens. Nothing too complicated. I think I know, like, with the color, what I want it to do, but all right, let's get some music again. What should we listen to? All right, I need new music. What should we listen to? Oh, where is my? I think I have like a fire somewhere. I have my downloads, right? No, but that's in YouTube Music. What playlist did it come for me? My mix. No, how many times did we listen to this song today? I love this song, but like, okay, how many times did we listen to this? Where's that Stranger Things? Stranger Things song. Oh, I think it's this one. All right. Upside down, upside down. I think I'm gonna paste this into Replit, and then guys, I'm gonna take a little break. Like, I'm just gonna step outside for a minute. Come back, see what happens, and then I have to take a swim break. It's not like a little stress with the crash. But the first stream, not the first stream was like so fucked. But the one that I did for like an hour and a half, it's performing really well already. All right, I'm gonna let it cook. I'm just gonna step outside. I'll be right back. All right. I'm back. No, I don't want this song. I'm gonna get copyrighted for so much. I need like non-copyright music. Okay. So, can you see I turned on my waterfall? All right, let's see what it did. Okay, okay, I kind of like that. That's cute. That's cute. Plan your trip before you book. Oh, and it stops. Real cost, real cities built on stream. Currently in Thailand. Oh, where in the world is the Gillian project? Okay, I kind of like it better. I kind of like it better. I think we're gonna go for an hour, and and then let's see what else I want. Let me go to my website on my phone. What else does it have? Okay, I kind of like that. That's cute. Oh, it stops. Real costs. Cities built on stream. Currently in Thailand. Where in the world is this Gillian project at? Okay, I don't like it Okay, let's see what happens when you do this. Oh, okay, nicer, nicer. So maybe I should start working on the functions. And then I'll think more about the design. I'm going back and forth. All right. Let me talk to ChatGPT a little bit because it knows the plan. Okay, chat. So we started building something, but right now, I know it's version 1, and I said start simple, so I appreciate that because now at least I can understand what the web app is doing. But I need it to have more, I don't know about functions, but it needs to have more detail. Hold on, before I do that, let me look at this again. Like it needs to have more information in a lot of ways. Also, it's coming up with numbers. I want to know, where are these numbers coming from? I need to make sure it's coming from a credible source because I'm not necessarily sure I agree with all the calculations that it's coming up with. Um, it has to actually be factual. Let's just start there. And move to Thai. Thank you so much for um, following me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. I am on TikTok. But YouTube is where I'm really trying to grow. Number. Keep the calculator simple, but make the data more transparent. One needs to change right now. The app. But not enough publicly. We need to upgrade the data layer. Source or date check. Do not learn source. Use blended estimates. What I would change in the app now, keep, but upgrade the output. Inputs stay the same. The result should now show the key app change. Sorry, I'm focusing, I'm concentrating. My eyes are getting tired. All right, let's just put this into Claude. All right. Any recommendations for like royalty-free music? Then I think I'm gonna go for a swim. See if I'm getting copyrighted yet on the other one, on the other stream. Right now it says no restrictions. Okay, that might take a while. It's probably still processing. Any recommendations for loyalty? And I think I'm gonna go first to win. All right, I'm gonna run this through Replit and then run to the toilet. We'll see how long that takes, and then maybe I'll go for a swim. I also got to start putting this into GitHub. Maybe I'll do that. And I'm not sure how often I should be pushing into GitHub. Is it like at maybe before I publish? That is something I'm still new at. Just kind of do it randomly. Okay, I'm gonna run this through Replit and run to the toilet. See how long that takes, and then maybe I'll go. Oof, I'm getting tired. All right, but we're at 30 minutes. If I go one more, if I go an hour on this stream, like I'll be okay with it. Damn, this is a long ass prompt. Maybe we should just all, I should say all this at the end. Damn, this is long. Let's do all the saves at the end. Maybe we should just all save all this. Damn, this is long. But I'm wondering, do I need to save it to this MD file if I'm saving it to GitHub? Somebody let me know. I don't know where all my people went. All right, let me use the toilet. Oh, am I still talking? Oh no. Okay, let's see. It's still running. Let's wait. We'll wait for it. And then I'll go for a swim. Just to kind of reset. We'll wait, we'll do something else to it. Alrighty, let's take a look. $87, it's in dollars. Would you really spend that much money? That doesn't make sense though. Public Thailand travel budget ranges. Okay, but what if I change it to luxury? All right, what if I was budget? I don't know, like mid-range. I feel like that. Let me do Phuket because I live in Phuket. I would say I'm either mid-range or I don't spend this much money in 30 days. And I would consider myself maybe even comfortable. Like those numbers just don't make sense. All right, let me go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I put that into Claude and then I put what Claude gave me into Replit. Now, the ranges, they're pretty broad. Like they're pretty large intervals and they still don't make sense to me. Um, Especially because I live in Phuket and I would say I live mid-range to comfortable and it's saying I would spend like on the high end $9,000 a month or something, and I definitely don't spend that. So I'm not sure how accurate the numbers are still. And those ranges are just too big. Oh no. Talk. What happened? What is up? How do I take off this Nightbot? Yeah, I don't understand. I'm so sorry. I I don't understand why Nightbot tripping. I need to figure out how to turn off Nightbot. Let's ask ChatGPT. Hey chat, how do I turn off Nightbot on my YouTube stream? I don't even remember setting that up, but it is banning people for like no good reason. I want to turn it off. What am I really building? So right now I'm building a Thailand calculator app. Um, a little bit about me. I'm an expat living in Thailand. A lot of the content that I create is about living in Thailand, moving to Thailand. So I'm building an app for my community because a lot of people DM me asking me about the cost of living in Thailand, and it really ranges based on your budget, your style. So I'm building a calculator app for people to plan their trip here. There are two different cost models. Well, I am a newbie. I'm a beginner. I'm just learning. I'm learning in public. That's all I'm doing. Like I'm just learning in public. I'm a newbie. So I had a lot of people in the previous stream before I crashed that were really helpful and teaching me things. So I'm a newbie. I'm just going with it. I'm amateur for sure. Like I am 100% amateur. Okay. All right. All right. That makes sense. That makes sense. Better labels for the application. Yeah, if you subscribe, you could subscribe to the channel. I mean, that would mean a lot to me, but um I I know a lot of streamers they have like a Discord and stuff. I don't have that yet. Not for vibe coding. I have one for Thailand and travel. Maybe I should make one. Should I make a Discord? But I mean, I'm new. Who would even join that shit? Um, but I'm also on Instagram. It's the same handle. Where in the world is Gillian? I don't know if you have Instagram, but a lot of people DM me there um, until I figure out what communication I will style I'll set up. Um, okay, no problem. I mean, I'm not going to set it up right now. Today's my first day, and honestly, I wasn't expecting this many people to come into the chat and talk to me. I thought I was going to have zero viewers, and I've had a lot of help. Um, I've been really trying to do this for the past 4 hours, and I was struggling. It was crashing when I started, and then 2 hours later I finally got it up and running. Did that for an hour and a half. I had so many good people in that stream helping me, and then I had to restart it, and I don't think those people are here anymore, unfortunately. Maybe I'll catch them another day. They were from the US, so it's God knows what time it is there now. But yeah, if you want to contact me on Instagram for now, it's where in the world is Jillian. And then if I keep getting an audience, I'll definitely make a Discord. I mean, I don't know who would even be interested in joining. The community would be bringing in the value, not me. Like, I'm just learning, you know. Um, I'm new to it for sure. So hold on, let me see what it's saying. Define them inside the app. Mid-range, simple, hotel, comfortable, nice, or comfortable. Okay, I like those fixes. I don't want to send the prompt yet. Something else I'm thinking is should we give the user an option to choose if they are someone who's planning to live in Thailand or someone who's planning to travel to Thailand as a tourist? Because that will change their daily costs, it will change their monthly costs, right? Because if you're living here, you're probably going to end up paying rent. But if you're traveling here, then you're going to be paying for hotels or Airbnbs. But I like all the changes that you mentioned. I just want to also make this change as well. And please give me a prompt to put into Claude Code because I want Claude Code to come up with the prompt to put into Replit. Thank you so much. All right, I have to fix that Nightbot. Nightbot's own site is still the official place to manage the bot. So it's on, we go to YouTube settings. All right, let's do that first because you're the second person. I don't know how you got out of that ban for Nightbot. Go to YouTube Studio and go to settings. Go to community moderation. Under moderators, look for Nightbot. User management. Okay, and then remove it. Save. Okay. Nightbot is removed, thank God. But the other guy that was here, I don't know how you came back. Talk. What is that? What I can call you? Or talk? I don't know. Saying that so wrong. Okay, let's see. I would change. I would add one main question first. What are you planning? Options. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it and see what happens. I'm not reading too much. I just need to let AI do the work, right? That's the whole point of this. All right. It's pool time, for sure. Because I need a little breaky. So let's put. Let me get GitHub. Okay, it's running. Let me get GitHub ready because I am going to push everything into GitHub. Okay, let's do a new. Thailand cost calculator. Now I need this to be private. Hi, if you're just joining, welcome. It's been a little bit of a struggle bus today. It's my first day. But the stream that I had going before it crashed for like an hour and 40 minutes, it was a really good stream. It was a really good stream. I think this is. Okay. While that is going, I'm just going to put this here for a sec. I can't see the chat right now, so just bear with me. All right, it's getting us the prompt. Let me integrate GitHub. All right, we're getting somewhere. It's going to be something that has to, it's not going to be finished today. That's for damn sure. That is for damn sure. Wait, what am I connected to? No. Wait, manage. Wait, I don't know what I did. I'm so stupid. Continue to GitHub. But it's not my actual GitHub account. Damn, that prompt is still going. How do I sign in? All right, I'm gonna do that later. Damn, that's a long prompt. Oh, this is tiring, man. Shit. Oh, why is this here now? I didn't want that there. All right. Lord have mercy. This is a long ass fucking prompt. All right. 1 second. Toilet break. And then we'll do swim break. Oh, that's running. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Let me actually just check something. Interesting. Okay, update. My tummy is growling. Okay, this is gonna be, I think, the last prompt. I'm gonna go for a swim while it runs, and then all right, let's run it. All right, guys, I'm gonna take a dip in the pool while this is running. Get my sunglasses on for that. All right, it's gonna run. Let me give you some music. Be back while that runs. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, it's cold in here now that I was in the pool. Just drying off my feet. That was fun. That was a good little break. Okay, and it worked. Okay, we're back. All right. I'm gonna do the GitHub later because it's getting late for me. All right, we're still frozen on YouTube. Oh, it's very delayed. How do I to start like stop like crashing out like that? All right, things are working. All right, we're back. God, I'm learning a lot. I will say that. All right, let's just check what this app looks like. And then I'm going to call it a day. We'll publish it tomorrow. Okay. What are you planning? I'm traveling in Thailand. Let's say Phuket. Okay. That's better. What about I'm living in Thailand? Number of months, let's just say 1. Come on. All right. Well, that's working itself out. It's cold in here now that I was in the pool. Just drying off my feet. That was fun. That was a good little break. Okay. And it. Okay. Let me do it in here. I'm living in Thailand. Okay, we're back. Okay. So much lagging. How am I going to fix this? This is only day 1. I need to fix this. Okay, this looks a little bit better. This is a little more accurate. This is definitely a little more accurate. Yeah. What if I said comfortable? Then what the hell is luxury? All right, maybe comfortable. All right, we're still frozen on YouTube. Okay. All right, I can work with this as a start for today. I can work with this, and then I can think about what other features I want. And okay. All right, chat, I'm calling it a day for today. It's almost 5 o'clock, and I started trying to do this at noon. And I thought I was only going to stream for 1 hour, but Took me 2 hours to even get it up and running, and then we crashed some more. Okay, it's moving. The camera's moving. Okay, so that being said, to everybody who came into the chat today, thank you so, so much. Like, you guys have been freaking amazing. I did not expect this streaming the first day. I did not expect this at all. So many nice, supportive people came into the chat today. So many helpful people. Like, I even learned a lot. And oh my God, I'm so sorry to Kenneth who got banned from Nightbot, but just know that I disabled not Nightbot. He didn't even do anything wrong, man. We had Azor that came in. We had moved to Thai. Now we have Talk. So many. Head Hacker, he was the first one. He was so, so sweet. Oh my God, I have to go subscribe to his channel right now as soon as I end this stream. But thank you so much. I was not expecting this. I was so nervous to get on stream and do this as a complete amateur. Like, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. And the only reason why I'm ending stream now is because I'm so tired. Like, I was supposed to do this at noon. But now I kind of have an idea of how things can flow. So tomorrow we'll continue building this app. And I think I have more of an idea of how to make it flow better. I just have to figure out what to do about this camera making me crash out. Yeah. So anyway, thank you so much for joining. You guys have been amazing, and I just can't wait to keep building in public and see how much I learn from you guys. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of learning how to vibe code, and we're going to continue to build this Thailand cost calculator for our very first project. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.